Alright guys, I got my 2007 Nissan Murano 3.5. Number 4 coil pack has went out on me and it's acting up, making it jerk. So what I'm gonna do today, I ordered the coil pack from Amazon already. Should be here pretty soon. First thing we got to do is take this front casing off. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already did that. Right here is the front 4. I'm at the front 3. Right here behind this thing right here is the back 3, but it is number 4, which is right here. You got 2, 4, and 6. What I've had to do, I had to take them off, unhook the coil packs. These two. This right here is a 10 millimeter. I've already unscrewed it. Alright, coil pack number 4 right here. This is the one giving me trouble right here, so I did order a individual one. Looks fine inside, so I will be putting that on in just a minute. Alright guys, I got my new part in. Got it from Amazon. This is the old one right here, and this is the new one that's going to go in there. You just drop that right on in there. Let's see. Alright, the number. Remember, this is 2, 4, 6, and this is the one that needs to be replaced. 4. Alright, so I got it in there. I'm gonna put the shield back on. That one goes right here. One over here on this side. One here. It should be 4, but I did lose one a while back. Let's crank her up. I am gonna test drive it, see if it's still shaking, a little jerking, and I'll let you know.